How to withdraw money from Bitget to Jazzcash on PC. Now, first of all, open your Bitget account and head over to buy crypto. Now click on P2P trading. Now after that, select the sell option because we want to withdraw the token or the money. After that, select the token that you want to sell, for example USDT. Now select the currency to PKR. This is the currency of Pakistan. After that, set the amount that you want to withdraw. After that, here you can select your bank. In this case it will be Jazzcash. Now click on it. After that, select one of these providers. So after you select one of these providers, click on sell, and as you can see, click on confirm. Now you can see the amount that you want to sell. Here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive. Now after that, click on add payment method, and now as you can see, you can provide this box that have this red star. So after that, click on save and use, and after that you will be able to receive your money on your bank account in about a few minutes. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to Jazzcash on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.